guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's Dollar Tree DIY, we're going to be making this lovely chic floral home decor. So if you want to make your own, then keep on watching. So here are the supplies that you're going to need from your Dollar Tree. So first we're going to start off with the sand that you can get from your Dollar Tree. Also, I'm going to be using these carnation flowers. You can use whichever one you want, but I'm going to be using those. And then also you're going to need your test tube with holder. This is in the school section. And then you're going to need your scissors to cut your flowers. So what you're going to do is you're going to open your package and then you're going to go ahead and remove the test tubes. Remove both of them, and then you're going to remove both of the lids off of each test tube. Next, you're going to go ahead and take a test tube holder and spray paint it gold. So this is how mine came out looking, sprayed with gold, of course. Next, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and you see now that you have your test tubes and you have your cut flowers. So what we're going to do is we're going to get our test tube holder and we're going to go ahead and place the test tubes back into the holder. And it's going to look just like this. And so the next thing that you're going to do, you're going to go ahead and get your sand. But as you can see, your flowers is all ready to go. You're going to go ahead and get your sand and you're going to fill each test tube up, but not all the way to the top, just kind of a little bit more than halfway or to your desire, whichever one that you want to do. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in both of the test tubes in. And we're going to do it this way. That way it looks really nice. That's why I picked the white sand, because it looks so clean and so nice. So for the next thing, this is how it's going to look, guys. You can fill it up more than you want to. Let's go ahead. And this is what we're going to do next. We're going to go ahead and get our flowers. And you're going to go ahead and stick it right in the middle. It should fit right in. And then you're going to get your next flower. So what I did for these flowers, I did cut one taller than the other to give it that nice asymmetrical look, and it looks so cute, guys. So this is how it looks, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching and for tuning into my channel today. If this is your first time, please don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.